Hello, welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating and sometimes frustrating world of English spelling. Have you ever wondered why English spelling can be so irregular and unpredictable? Well, you're not alone. Today, we'll explore the historical context behind the quirks and the efforts to standardize English through dictionary. Let's start with some famous example of spelling irregularities. George Bernard Shaw, the renowned playwright, famously illustrated the absurdity of English spelling with his fictional word "goatee." According to Shaw, goatee could be pronounced fish by using v as in enough, e as in women, and sh as in nation. While this example is a bit playful, it highlights real inconsistencies in English spelling.
So, how did we end up with such a complex spelling system? To understand this, we need to go back in time. English, as we know, it is a melting pot of influences. Old English, spoken by the Anglo-Saxons, was heavily influenced by Latin, Old Norse, and Norman French due to invasion and conquest. Another key historical event was the Great Vowel Shift, a major change in pronunciation during the 15th to 18th centuries. Long vowel sounds in the Middle English began to shift, but spelling largely remained the same. This is why words like name and home are pronounced differently from their spellings. With all these changes, the need for standardization became real. Enter the English dictionaries. The first significant attempt was Samuel Johnson, a dictionary of the English language, published in 1755. Johnson's work was monumental in standardizing English spelling and usage. But even Johnson's dictionary couldn't solve all the irregularities. The advent of printing in the 15th century had already fixed many spellings, some of which were based on regional pronunciation or printer preferences.
In modern times, dictionaries continue to evolve. The Oxford English Dictionary, first published in 1884, provides historical context and evolution of words, helping to understand why we spell words the way we do. Despite these efforts, English continues to borrow words from other languages, adding to its richness and complexity. Words like taco from Spanish and sushi from Japanese reflect this ongoing process. In conclusion, English spelling is a tapestry of historical influences, pronunciation shifts, and efforts at standardization. While it can be challenging, understanding the history behind it makes us appreciate the richness of the English language. Thank you for joining us on this History of English language journey. Bye-bye!